What's up guys, I'm Rhett. Welcome back to Lawn Insider. First of all, happy 4th of July to y'all, and in today's video we're just going to do a double cut of the lawn with my Toro Greensmaster 1000. For those of y'all that don't know, we were put into stage 3 drought restrictions last week, which means we can only water our lawns once every other week. So before I mow, I just wanted to show y'all kind of where we're at in the lawn. And this past week was actually the week where I wasn't able to water, but luckily we did get a little over a ½ inch of rain. So overall, the yard is still doing pretty well. The side yard over here is actually where you see most of the heat stress, or the drought stress rather. And I really don't even know if this is gonna show up on camera too much, but there are a few spots, particularly over here between my yard and my neighbor's yard, so kind of right on the borderline there, to where there's a few dry spots and they kind of have an orange tint to them, so you can tell that they're a little bit dry. And I have been hand watering those spots a little bit more just to try to treat those hot spots, but we'll see how that turns out in the long run, see if that's a futile effort. And like I mentioned to y'all in the last video, I am actually planning on scalping, aerating, and doing a leveling project on this lawn here coming up really soon. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of those videos. But I'm looking at that project taking place probably within the next week or so. So those videos will be rolling out within the next couple of weeks. So make sure you stick around for those. And here is the backyard. Again, overall, it's doing pretty well, all things considered, but we do have a few areas, probably mostly in this area, in the middle of the yard, towards this fence. So in this area right here, where it is a little bit off colored, a little bit lighter green, you see a little bit of a yellow tint, and then same thing right there in that zone as well. But overall, not too bad. The lawn is in need of a cut, so we're gonna go ahead and pull the mower out and get that done. All right, this will probably be the last thing that I say before the very end of the video, but we are gonna do a double cut today. So we are first gonna go and make our passes this way, and then we're gonna come back afterwards and we're gonna make horizontal passes this way. So let's get after it. Okay, that's gonna wrap up the cut. Let's go ahead and look at the lawn here. And you can see that we have pretty nice cut quality, still very, very thick, which is one of the reasons that I'm going to scalp. Also, just because whenever you level, it's a good idea to go ahead and cut it pretty low so you can move the sand around pretty easily. But still a pretty good cut. When it's thick like this, you don't get stripes like you would right after a scalp. So let's go ahead and look at the front yard. And here is the front lawn. Sun's setting on it, so you can't see it as well as I wish y'all could. But overall, pretty nice cut. And then side yard as well. Domination line still going strong. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up right here, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me a like. If you're liking the content and you wanna continue to see more of it, hit that red subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I'll see y'all again next week. Lawn Insider, out.